Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get HBO Max on a Directv. First you need to actually go ahead and check your Directv subscription, okay? Because HBO Max is usually included for free with a certain Directv packages, like for example Premiere and Allo Maximo. So if you don't have it, you can actually add HBO Max to your plan by logging in to Directv or calling at this number. They'll assist you actually. And what you can also do is, if you don't already have one, okay, an AT&T slash DirecTV account, go to directv.com slash forward slash my account and sign up, and just use your DirecTV credentials to access HBO Max. Okay, then you just need to download and sign into HBO Max on your smart TV, phone, streaming device. Sign in, and then select sign in with a TV provider. This is very important. And then you need to choose DirecTV from the list, and then just enter your DirecTV username and password to link your account. And then you can start watching. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.